Without community partners, we really wouldn't have a program. Our program originally was funded by the Wege Foundation, and his sustainability efforts, economicology is his coined phrase for sustainable practices in business and working effectively with our earth as we progress as a community. And that is what we integrate into all our curriculum.
Community partnerships are great. I'm lucky enough to have my neighbor be Blandford Nature Center. So for me, the community partner, the best community partner is one that you can use so the kids can interview them and use them as a primary source.
I find partners to be very pivotal because it's, as a geometry teacher, I think that, my area of expertise is strictly geometry and math, and so when you look at environmental stewardship, we heavily rely on different members, and so being a part of the Groundswell community has really opened up that network where, for example, this year we need to do some macroinvertebrate testing, and I don't really know the first thing about that other than the Groundswell preparation that we've had. And so luckily, West Michigan Environmental Action Council, that's their sole focus. They love working with kids and getting out to do that type of research. So Becky came over and had all of the equipment with the waders and D-nets and all kinds of stuff, and so students went out on several different occasions and were able to analyze what they found compared to a diagram that WMIAC had in order to do that. So, I think that the value with that is too often teachers feel bad reaching out to other community members thinking it's a burden to them, but I think they need to view it more as a partnership because all these organizations are in place to promote whatever they're about, and what better way for them to promote those things than to the school-aged children, and obviously they can use that for their marketing standpoint as well. So don't be bashful in regards to making those partnerships.
So when I first started Groundswell, I thought the partnership thing was really hard because I had a really hard time asking people for help or to come in and what can you do for me, or you get the people that they want to do stuff, but then they're not really good with the kids. So you kind of have to be really careful about who you use. So my first year we worked with WMIAC, which is an awesome partner to have. And they came in and did the non-point source pollution and taught our kids about that. And then I've been able to work with them, and they've taught energy with my kids too. So I kind of got to be their guinea pig of teaching energy the first couple times, and then they were using that lesson with my kids, and that's kind of how our energy expo came into play too.